Okay, last we left off, we joined our handle to the box, and next what I want to do is I want to place my cam into the design. Now here is where you are going to want to reorient this to the position that you want it to end up in, which is right here. I'm going to do that, and I'm also going to move it up a little bit so it's not beneath the surface. It's going to go on there like that, but I don't want to move this in here. I'm going to do that when I use join. I'm going to have this over the side here so it's easy to pick stuff. And click OK. Now the component is in there. It's linked. So next thing is I'm going to join this. Select join. If you don't see the join option, just use the pull down and join is right here. I'm going to select the center of this circle, and I'm going to select the center of the handle here. It goes over and it places itself on the handle. Now I want it to be over here under the first hole, but the only option to put this on the handle is either in the middle or on the outside over here. It won't let me select anything arbitrarily here. It's giving me help here in the middle. It's giving me help on both sides. So I'm going to pick the middle center of this cylinder for my join position. And then I'm going to move this into place. Now I can barely see my first hole over here, which is where I want to move this over. If you can't see that at all, what you can do is you can change your visual style to a wireframe, and then you can see it and line it up. I want to just make sure that that's right down the middle. It looks good. Negative 140. I'm going to click OK. Those numbers might be different for you based on however big you made your handle. Click OK. That's in place. I'm going to change my visual style back to shaded with visible edges only. And this is a rigid joint. Okay, there's a symbol for rigid. We talked about that in class because we want that to turn with the handle. So now if I turn my handle, my cam will go with it. So I want you to do that for all three of these other cams